So continuing with the user-defined functions, we will understand with more examples about this. I'm defining a new function, defining function multiple, I'm checking, and multiple I'm passing two arguments x and y, defining indentation space. I'm giving z equals to x multiply y. Now next, and I'm saying print multiply of the argument name I'm giving here x, and this is a print statement, and then again I'm giving y argument is z. Z z is also a argument. It's a basically variable, not argument that we are passed here. It's inside the function. Now I'm saying function multiply. I have to pass values of x and y. This is multiply. It is multiply two arguments, 3 and 4 I'm giving. So multiply of 3 and 4 is 12. It has written the uh, so it has written the arguments value here in place of x and y, and z is the x and y, so it has given us the answer. So like that we can apply on different formulas as well. Suppose we are finding the area of rectangle. So we know for area of rectangle, we are defining a area rectangle. Okay, so for area of rectangle, we need two arguments, length and breadth, L and B I'm saying here. So length is L, breadth is B, and area is length into breadth. Print. I'm saying print the area. Now it is a function. So for area of any rectangle we can say, and we have to know, we have to just give its argument value, the length and breadth of any rectangle. We can find the area of any rectangle. We have to know with only L and B, length and breadth. Okay, so I'm saying 5 and 8. Okay, length should be, let's say length should be larger, so I'm saying 8 and 5, 40. Sorry. So let's say we have to find the area of circle. Any circle? Similarly, we will define area of circle. Area of circle, we need the radius only, r. Okay, radius is r, and pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14. Okay, so area is 2 into pi into 2 pi r square. So in terms of square, we write double multiply. I'll just put this in bracket because r is square, not the whole term. r square into pi into 2, 2 pi r square. I'll see now print area. Okay, area of any circle. We just know have to give pass the value of radius. I'm saying the radius is r6, 22.6. If I have to give again area of circle with 2 as radius, 25.12. It is calculating with this formula and it is using the values that we are given here. We can find the circumference as well. Define. I'm just saying circumference. I'm saying circum, that's all. Just it is upon us. I can write x also has here instead of any name. We are defining the name. We can define any name. That will be that should be unique. Okay. Now again I'm giving r because we need radius. Remember, you don't have to give this sign semicolon. It will not become a function. No indentation. This. Now the radius of the circle is r. Radius of the circle is r, and pi value is 3.14, and the circumference is 2 pi r, 2 pi r. Now print circumference. Okay, now circumference, I'm saying the radius is 5. So 2 pi r, 2 into pi into radius. So it is giving us the value. We can find circum of any circle with radius 4, 25.12. Now, as I have defined the value of pi is 3.14, let's see. Can I check this value? I say pi. Name pi is not defined, but I have defined name pi here. Why is it saying that pi is not defined? Because the life cycle of these commands, these codes are only during the function. So I'm defining the function from here up to here, and after this line, if after this function, if I ask for the value here, it will give me. But if I say here, the function has ended, so the computer understands that the space is not given, so it is not under the this function circle. So the life cycle of these codes, these definitions are only inside the function. Though pi is already an inbuilt function as well, but I have not downloaded that package here.